Measuring scales can play an important role in helping you achieve the optimal espresso recipe with accuracy and consistency. The classic espresso recipe is a simple 1:2 ratio of ground coffee to espresso extracted in 27 to 33 seconds. If you're using a single cup basket, we recommend the dose weight to be 10 to 12 grams, and for double cup basket, 18 to 22 grams. As various beans and roasts will mean that the optimal dose can vary, we also recommend referring to your roaster or barista for more information. Start by placing the portafilter onto the scales and then press the tare button, which zeroes the scales. Next, grind and dose your portafilter. Place the portafilter back onto the scales and note the weight of ground coffee in the filter basket. Double this weight should be your espresso extraction. For a single cup basket, the optimal espresso weight delivered to your cup should be 20 to 24 grams. And for a double cup basket, this should be 36 to 44 grams. However, this also depends on the recommendations by your roaster or barista. Now, tamp your portafilter. Start by placing your cup on the scales under the portafilter. Press the tare button. Now start your espresso shot and watch the scales. Stop your extraction when the scales read 2 grams less than your target weight to account for the espresso still flowing. Generally, the optimal extraction duration should be within 27 to 33 seconds to reach your target weight. If the espresso extraction is less than 27 seconds, then you need to grind finer. And if the extraction is longer than 33 seconds, then you need to grind coarser.